This video is for class 8 chemistry, and in this video we are discussing about endothermic reaction. In the previous video we had discussed about exothermic reaction, a chemical reaction in which heat is absorbed. Heat is absorbed is called an endothermic reaction. It causes a fall in temperature. As you all know, when heat is absorbed by a substance, so the surrounding becomes cooled, hence there will be fall in temperature. Now let us talk about its few examples. So examples number 1a, right, when nitrogen and oxygen together are heated to a temperature of about 3000 degrees Celsius, right, is heated, nitric oxide gas is formed. This is an endothermic reaction because it is absorbing heat, right. The reaction is taking place nearly at 3000 degree Celsius. Now as you can see here, nitrogen reacts with oxygen, right, to form nitric oxide at a very high temperature because of the absorption of heat energy. Now next example, similarly decomposition of calcium carbonate into carbon dioxide and calcium oxide occurs when it is heated at a temperature of about 1000 degrees Celsius, at about 1000 degrees Celsius. It is an endothermic reaction. It is an endothermic reaction because it is absorbing heat and it is taking place nearly about at 1000 degrees Celsius. So here you can see calcium carbonate when heated, right, this heat is being absorbed by the calcium carbonate, and thus we have calcium oxide and carbon dioxide form. So this is also an example of endothermic reaction. Let us go through this activity 9, to show that the dissolution of ammonium chloride in water is an endothermic reaction. Take 100 milliliter of water, then in a beaker add 2 to 3 spatula of ammonium chloride. Here spatula means a small spoon, right, a small spoon, probably you have seen in the lab, right, of ammonium chloride solid to it, and constantly stir with a glass rod to dissolve it in water. Now touch the beaker. What will you observe? You will notice that the beaker has become colder than it was earlier. This is because dissolution of ammonium chloride is an endothermic reaction in which heat energy is absorbed, right. So the figure is shown here, right. So here we have ammonium chloride which is solid, here that particular spoon which you are talking about, right, and we have water here, and when you stir it, these things become cold, right. This becomes cold because of the absorption of heat energy. Okay, this much for this video. Thank you so much.